I hope it's okay. Before Rafiki arrived in Africa, I drove 10,000 kilometers across Europe and Turkey, and it was finally time to send my truck for a checkup. And thanks to the amazing and united overland community here in South Africa, El Moto's workshop was more than happy to service Rafiki for free. And even better, I could get brand new spare parts supported by the team at Terrain Tamer. This day, early morning, I was on my way to meet with Renier, the owner of El Moto's workshop located right in the middle of Cape Town. I was so ready to discover Rafiki's condition since it was last serviced, and to get to know more about my Hilux.
Right.
What do you think?
No, definitely the front brakes is short. Larger pliers. The pins is quite corroded.
Look at the new ones. Nice. Thank you.
Engine oil. I'm waiting for the guy that does the oil now. You can see the corrosion on the pin. This is the way it's supposed to look.
Underneath Rafiki. We are now going to remove the skid plates.
These things is got it?
Yeah.
You see, you feel the difference, Simba? It's much lighter. Okay. This is your gearbox level. The plug I've just removed is to check the level inside the gearbox.
this is the engine oil.
That is engine oil. You will see it is quite discolored. It's black so quickly.
Yeah. Yeah.
The engine song. This side.
Third day at the garage. The owner of the garage just gave me a free class of mechanics. How to take care of my car and to maintain my car. That's so important. I hope it's okay. Look at that!
Perfect.
Yeah!
Just mind your eyes. It with any spanners because you can damage the filter.
New one.
Is your blower motor?
Yeah.
It's right above it. So from the fan, the air passes through this filter and then into the cabin. This is the original diff breather for the front. Is that blue one? You see here, Samba? Yeah. On top of the chassis. That one goes on top.
You can go.
Oh, sorry, brother.
Yes.
Because I want to see
it's better like this.
side. Yeah. If you can go near it just to get him where
Yeah. Oh no, he's stealing my car. That's funny actually.